students, welcome to you all in Durga Public School, Inter College, Dedaur Library, online classes, English, class 12. Students, you know that English is the most important language of the world. It is a combination of three European languages: Greek, German and French. Any literature has a deep-rooted concern with its language, and the knowledge of language is very important to learn that language. Grammar is the method of learning the language. Grammar teaches how to write, read and speak correctly our language. In this concern, I expectedly hope and say to you, please pay your kind attention on the subject matter which is being taught to you. The chapter of grammar, the base is the language. In language, we know that there are many forms of language: reading, speaking, reading and writing. Today I am beginning the chapter of direct indirect. As you have we express our thoughts in two ways: direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech is that form of speaking in which speaker express his thoughts directly. Students, direct narration or speech is that part of conversation in which the speaker's thoughts are presented as he speaks. As As he said to me, I write a letter. In this sentence, we look at the thoughts uttered by the speaker is written in his original forms of speaking. And if we express these thoughts in our own language, it will call the indirect speech. Dear students, the second form of speech is called indirect speech. In indirect speech, that form of expression in which we present speaker's thoughts in our own way or sense of expression is called indirect speech. As if we express that he said to me, I write a letter in our own language, our own way of expression, we will express that he told me that he wrote a letter. Now, in next class, we will discuss the broad and appropriate form of direct and indirect speech. In next class, please read what you learned in your previous classes and revision the chapter of direct and indirect speech. Thank you.